morning everybody, and welcome to our final assembly for this academic year. Our final assembly in the school hall. We're building in this hall 4 classrooms ready for the new academic year. These classrooms are actually going to be for Year 6 students because we're expanding, but more on that at another time. In this assembly you're going to see the last of our merits, our AR certificates, and who is going to get the cupcakes. Our assembly this week is Bush Babies, and Bush Babies are our 2 to 3 year olds, and they've got something very lovely to share with you. Enjoy our assembly.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bush Babies assembly. It has been a wonderful year and we had so much fun. Nothing could stop us, not even coronavirus. Take a look at all we did.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Go. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance.
There, what do you want to say to Miss Mary?
I want to say I love you.
And you? You love her? Say, I love you, Miss Mary.
I love you, Miss Mary.
Good morning, boys and girls. This week, the handwriting license certificate in Year 2 Acacia goes to some boys who have really worked so hard to improve their cursive writing. Congratulations, Angelos Anastasio, Leonardo Eastcroft, Zifan Wang, and Ethan Van Blurk. Well done, boys.
Good morning, everyone. This week's handwriting license from Year 2 Flamboyant goes to the following children who have continued to work really hard with their cursive handwriting. Congratulations to Jonathan Engelbrecht, Chileleko Chikuba, and Rave Reeve Tucker.
Today's Falcon merits in the den are for Yuvash Singh for continued effort to complete tasks on Seesaw. Next, we have Mohammed Sami Saleh for great participation in den literacy lessons. Well, great job. Next, last but not least, we have Ethan Wanza consistently being part of the Den Google Meets.NOP.KM. Today's Falcon merits are for Zahara Pardisi in Bush Babies for consistently working hard and submitting work on Seesaw. Well done. Then we have Jamima Simbei for outstanding performance during assembly in ELC Musikesi. Great job. Next, in Year 1 Jasmine Yaqub Hassan for putting lots of effort into all his tasks. Great job. Next, Year 2A Setuli Werasinga for working hard with all activities on Seesaw. Amazing work. Then we have Nindanji Zulu for maintaining positive energy throughout, and well done for progress made again in your 2A. Almost finished. Your 2F, Chileku Chikuba for putting in extra effort in all his work. Amazing work job. In your 3, Jasmine, Aiden Shofa for working diligently this term. Well done. Next, in your 40, we have Madalipso Mukando for participating well during discussions. Well done. Next, in your 40, we have Andre Creel for participating well during discussions. Great job. Next, in your 4M, Chumi Mwamba for her perpetual passionate and poised poetry performances. Amazing job. Next, your 5H, Mwila Mwewa for taking his online work so seriously and working super hard to complete all his work. Well done. Last but not least, we have in Trisha Bashaki in your 6E showing responsibility in her online work. Go FALCON, go Falcons!
Good morning, Hawk House, and welcome to today's assembly. Guess where I am? Right, I'm sure you know I'm in school. Now, Hawk House has, a good number of merits to give out. We start with Hand Circle. Hand Circle, we have Mariam for working hard with all activities on Seesaw. Well done, Mariam. Still in Hand Circle with Utasha for working hard with all activities on Seesaw. We move on to Reception Gardenia. We have Yi Yang for working diligently on Seesaw. Year 1M with Anaya for a fantastic effort on Seesaw. In 1J, we have Yakub for putting lots of effort in all his tasks. We move on to Year 2A, Dimitri, for his continued enthusiasm and positive attitude towards his work. We move on to 2F, we have Chileleko for putting in extra effort in all his work. Well done, boys and girls. We move on to 3J with Balan for trying hard to finish all his online work. 3L, Erin for trying to work consistently on Seesaw. We move on to 6M, Kara for trying to overcome challenges in our online learning. Well done, boys and girls. On to the Den. In the Den, we have 3 merits to give. The first one goes to Yasnos. I hope I pronounced that correctly. This is for continued progress in literacy and numeracy. Well done. We have also Amma for continued progress in our language skills. Then we've Nonya for always participating actively in the Den during Google Meets. Well done, boys and girls, and that was all. Bye.
What's up, Eagle House? You guessed it, it's Eagles Merits time. So let's dive in. In ELC Mulberry Bush, we have Krish Patel for working well on Seesaw. In Year 2A, we have Liana Adam for trying her best on her work on Seesaw. In Year 5H, we have Ali Malek for his consistent effort in reading and his lovely voice message to keep in touch. Here are the merits for the Den. The first one goes to Kasweka Musimali for continued motivation to complete numeracy for the Den. The second one goes to Muhammad Ali Alame for being motivated to complete all tasks for the Den independently. Well done, Eagles!
Good morning. The pen license certificates are awarded to the following students in 4T: Larin Mitwali, Ishan Sai, Madaliso Mukando, Manasevin Ravakuma, Christian Teblans, and Hilton Banda. Congratulations, boys and girls.
Morning, everyone. I have some AR certificates to read out today, and the first one is awarded to Mupeta, and he is receiving his Super Reader Award. The next one goes to Nonya, and she is getting her Advanced Reader Award. Congratulations, Kisha, on becoming an accelerated reader word millionaire. She has read 1,055,345 words. That is amazing. I want to make a special mention on Aryan Desai's achievement by receiving his Honours Reader Certificate. He has accumulated 100 points and achieved an average of 95% correct in all his quizzes. That is fantastic. For Myon, the total books read in primary in Term 3 is 10,075 books, and the total time spent reading in primary in Term 3 is 2,231 hours. Well done, primary. We are now entering the end of the year holiday, and you are all encouraged to read and take quizzes during the school holiday. Students with the most books or words read will be given certificates at the beginning of the next academic year. Both AR and Myon will remain open over the holidays. We encourage all of you to continue reading in your spare time.
Good day, children. This week's cupcakes goes to a very special group of students. The cupcakes are for the Year 6 students who will be transitioning from primary to secondary. Well done, Year 6, and good luck.
Well done on a fantastic assembly. Great work, everybody. Next week's photo challenge is all about happiness. This is our last photo competition, and we'd like to see as many happy photos as possible, especially with you in it. Thank you very much for watching. We wish you a wonderful weekend ahead, a long weekend for Heroes in Unity. Take care, everybody, and keep safe.